Yes. Well, you can have nice conversations with me.
When? You always working.
Did you just...
When you come home, you're tired all the time. You can't even touch me or look at me. Oh, woman.
Did you for my food? Did you? Did you?
Maybe I did things too many, and I'm sorry.
Did you? Did you? Did you?
Grey's Anatomy, but any other that would be beautiful.
Did you on my leg? Did you? Oh, you did it again. Did you on my leg? Did you? You farted again, leg. Oh, this. Did you on my leg?
Big shot because I don't.
Did you on my leg? Did you on my leg?
Off our chest here.
Did you? Did you on my leg? Did you?
No. I have a confession to make. I'm really unhappy.
Did you?
I'm really a little hurt that so many of you believe this.
Did you on my leg? Yeah? Did you on my leg? Did you go on my leg?
Older than anyone here.
Did you on my leg? 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 Did you? Did you? Ah! Did you on my leg?
Do not call him a
Did you on my leg? Did you on my leg?
dirty
Did you on my leg?
elder gay